Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable installing the beta version on the Telegram app on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been getting unexpected changes or experimental features, it's likely because Telegram's beta option is turned on. Don't worry, turning it off only takes a few seconds. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the sidebar menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control how Telegram behaves on your PC. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option and click on it. This section contains more detailed settings that aren't always visible at first glance. Once you're inside Advanced Settings, look for the option labeled Install Beta Version. If this option is currently enabled, that means your app is set to receive beta updates automatically. To stop that, simply toggle the switch off. Once disabled, Telegram will no longer install beta versions, and you'll stay on the stable, official releases.